Working with your own files in Photoshop is very straightforward. To open an existing document or photograph, you simply come up to File, choose Open. You want to find the folder that contains the file that you want to work with. In this case, I already have a folder open called PS Docs. I'm going to select this photo right here, the sunset, and choose Open. And it opens the file in Photoshop. Now, you can open multiple files when you're importing existing documents into Photoshop. You can just simply choose File, Open, and then holding the Control or the Command key down, depending on whether you're on a PC or a Mac, you can select multiple files. So I could select this sunset and this cartoon character here, choose Open, and you'll notice that the files were opened in Photoshop in their own tab. So each one is isolated and you can work on them independently or combine them. And we're going to look at how to do that in an upcoming video.